12 persons or 1,000 kilograms. Also runs fine. These two other staff elevators in the main hall of the Tampere University Hospital. We found the two other ones already. These are two more. Built in 1961, modernized in 1995. 12 persons, 1,000 kilograms. Look at this. It should have been inspected last year, 2008. It still hasn't been. It's late. I forgot to check the serial. Let me see. H7870. Turning 60 years old in 2021. In 2020, the next year, the modernization will be 25 years old. And 14 floors. Very nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Although it's just stainless steel, but that's always the case for elevators like this.
Yeah.
I hope nobody is gonna use it from any of the upper floors.
Yeah.
I think the other one was on floor 4.
Yeah.
We can try to call it on floor 1.
Yeah.
We go back there. I think today we were so lucky to get to Tampere University Hospital and found a lot of these.
Yeah.
I think they're all in good shape.
Yeah.
And they also arrived to the Tampere light rail opening in 2021. Yeah.
Inspected by Inspector med eteenpäin Suomen hissiurakointi.
And yeah, I said it, 12 persons, 1,000 kilograms. Yeah. Okay. Back. I think most of the personnel also use the main elevators because they're faster.
Yeah.
But if they have trolleys, they must use these ones. But maybe now we can try 400 to do a full ride. H7878, built in 1961, modernized in 1995. 60 years old in 2021, and in 2020, the next year, the modernization turning 25 years old. 14 floors, 12 persons, 1,000 kilograms. This is going to be inspected this year, 2019. This one has two sides, just like on the other side. See when those sides come here. Still have the old doors. I just love this hospital. It resembles quite a lot TAYS in Turku and in Gothenburg.
Yeah.
And also the best thing about this hospital is that when we came here now, it was pretty calm actually.
Yeah.
Except, well, only the only bad thing was elevator number 10 was not working today.
Yeah.
Well, it's 1 of 6, so I don't think it's a big deal. Or would you have liked it from number 10? I would have liked it.
Yeah.
But it's not that big problem.
Yeah.
Because we still know the serial is the same as the other ones. Maybe someone comes here and films the last one someday.
Yeah.
At least maybe when the light rail will open.
Yeah.
Then they can do it.
Inspected by inspector, maintained by Suomi hissiurakoita.
Yeah, back to one. I don't think also the 1994 replacements will get replaced in a long time.
Yeah.
As they are in such a good shape. Well, they only have to make the elevator number 10 work.
Yeah.
So they have to call the maintenance guy to come and fix that elevator number 10 for us. I mean, for all the people, for all the Finns.
Yeah.
Other than that, everything is, I think, perfect here.
That
was elevator number 7.